How to use Leonardo AI tutorial as a beginner. I am going to show you how you can easily use the Leonardo AI tutorial as a beginner. Open the Leonardo AI website on your browser. It leverages generative AI with a unique suite of tools to convey your ideas to the world. You can create production quality visual assets for your projects. You can bring your team's best ideas to life at scale. Also, experience content creation excellence with Leonardo's AI's API. The platform includes a community feed where users can share their creations and draw inspiration from others. This collaborative aspect helps users explore different AI inputs and outputs. Leonardo AI is praised for its robust performance and speed. It offers a wide range of tools and features that cover various aspects of AI and machine learning, such as data preprocessing, model building, and deployment. Users appreciate the all-in-one nature of the platform, which reduces the need for multiple software tools. There is a feature tab at the top. Explore all the features of Leonardo AI. You can generate an art, video with the help of AI. The Solutions tab includes more tools for marketing, graphic designing, photography, architecture, and more. In the Resources tab, there are more options like news, wiki, and FAQ. Explore more features and get started to generate the media you want. You just need to log into your account to start using this website.